Why do 90% of power users chase certain CPU cores? Because raw design beats marketing. Here are the top 10 you should know. 10. Skylake, the legend that kept Intel relevant for years. 9. Zen 2, AMD's comeback that shook up performance per dollar. 8. Tiger Lake, Intel's mobile boost with strong single-core punch. 7. Cortex X1, ARM's big hitter in high-end phones. 6. Cortex X2, the follow-up pushing phones and thin laptops. 5. Cryo, Qualcomm's workhorse core balancing speed and efficiency. 4. Alder Lake P-cores, the hybrid revolution starter for desktops. 3. Raptor Cove, refined performance core powering recent desktops. 2. Apple Avalanche, big core speed with killer efficiency in M-series. 1. Apple Firestorm, the big core with top-tier single-thread performance. Skylake, Zen 2, Tiger Lake, Cortex X1, Cortex X2, Cryo, Zen 3, Alder Lake P-core, Raptor Cove, Firestorm. There. 10 cores in 60 seconds. Want a deep dive on any of them? Drop your pick in the comments and I'll break it down.